Hello, Pixie babes. It is Sunday, and you know what that means. Get up and go wash your hair. We're not like homegirl. It's not going to be 100 days till we wash our hair. Get up. We're going in with our leave-in conditioner. It's a 10. And then we're going in with Nairobi, of course. I don't always use a leave-in conditioner, but my hair has been a little dry lately since y'all got me using these other foams. So make sure your hair is freshly washed, deep conditioned. It's Sunday. We're starting off the week right. Perfect reset. Okay. Once you rub in your leave-in conditioner, then you go on with your foam. You want to saturate the hair really good. You don't have to use a lot of foam like how I do, but you want it to be enough to where the hair is saturated. Y'all don't be using enough, and that's why y'all mold don't be coming out how y'all want it to. Stop being skimpy on the damn product. All right, so once you saturate the hair with your foam, you're going to comb it in the direction that you want to mold it, swirl it, wave it, whatever. Comb it down. The excess foam, you could dump it in your sink, or you can put it back on top just to use in case you need more. Instead of you pumping more out, you already have some on top. And I know some of y'all keep asking in the comments, oh, are you natural or relaxed? I'm relaxed. Prior to me getting a relaxer, my curl pattern was a 3B. Right now, I need a touch up. So my curls in the back, since I did cut it short in the back, the curls are starting to grow in. But my next touch up is not until April. Once you comb it in a direction that you want it, you could always like triple, double check in the mirror. That's what I'm about to do. I want to make sure that the middle part is like, connecting. Like how them boys who be doing wave check. Yeah, you want it like that. Because when it dries, you don't want it to look like you have a bald spot. And you know damn well that you don't. But it will look like it. You can either do a part, left or right, or no part. So for me, I don't like parts. I don't care what y'all say. I don't do parts. It just irritates the hell out of me. It irritates the hell out of me. This is a barber comb. The big side you would use to, section, part, comb. The fine side you would use to swirl. I just push it out the way and then I go in. And like I said in all my videos, S motion, C motion. C motion, S motion. S motion, C motion. It could be as neat as you want it to be, or it could be as messy as you want it to be. I like mine's neat. Remember, you can push and pull. Push, pull, C motion, S motion, smooth it down. And make sure that you go back in and you touch up the pieces that you don't like or the pieces you want to be more neater or more messy. And so for the back, like I said, I need a touch up and it's starting to grow in. For the last part, you can always get some more foam. Comb the area down. Make sure you wipe off any excess off your face. That's how you prevent breakouts too. I do have acne prone skin and combination skin. But for skincare, I use non-comedogenic products and I wash my face really good. These are the Sanak Mega Wrap Black Strips. You can get them at any beauty supply store. They're $3.99 or it could be less. I get the big pack off of Amazon. It's in my Amazon storefront. Open it up. Y'all know I use a lot of strips. The key to not messing it up while you're sleeping, if you're a wild sleeper, I get it, because I'm a wild sleeper too. Get your strip. The first strip, you want it to be at the back, the bottom of your neck. And you want it to go all the way across like this. Boom. Your hair is already wet or, moistened with the product. It should already stick. Then you go in with your second strip, straight across the top. It's twisted, not tied. Your third strip, right behind the second strip. Twisted, not tied. You go behind the third strip. Then you go in with your mesh Velcro wrap. These are like $1 at the beauty supply store. This is gonna prevent it coming off while you're sleeping. You go in with your scarf. It could be any scarf, preferably satin or silk. You want to put it from behind. So your triangle should begin at the back, not at the front like this. At the back. That's how it won't come off while you're sleeping if you're a crazy sleeper. For extra security, you can put another scarf on top. The triangle should be facing the front and not the back like how we just did. You guys also ask if I air dry. Yes. I like to do my molds at night so that when I'm done eating, I could just... I was making a video. Y'all already know. Comment boom. But now I'll see y'all in the next video.